Q8206. During installation, Flareless fittings A. Are normally tightened by turning the nut a specified amount, unless the manufacturer lists torque values. B. Should be assembled by applying an anti-seize compound to both surfaces of the fitting and flare. C. Are normally tightened by applying torque in small increments to prevent overheating the tube mating surfaces. The correct answer is A. Flareless fittings are a type of hydraulic fitting that is used in aircraft hydraulic systems. During installation, these fittings are normally tightened by turning the nut a specified amount, unless the manufacturer lists torque values. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for tightening the fittings to ensure a secure and reliable installation. Applying an anti-seize compound to both surfaces of the fitting and flare, or applying torque in small increments to prevent overheating the tube mating surfaces is not a recommended practice during installation. Q8207. When flaring aluminum tubing for use within fittings, the flare angle must be A. 37 degree, B. 39 degree, C. 45 degree. The correct answer is A. The correct flare angle for flaring aluminum tubing for use within fittings is 37 degrees. Q8208. Scratches or nicks on the straight portion of aluminum alloy tubing may be repaired if they are no deeper than A. 20% of the wall thickness, B. 1 divided by 32-inch or 20% of wall thickness, whichever is less, C. 10% of the wall thickness. The correct answer is C. A piece of aluminum alloy tubing may have scratches or nicks as long as they are not deeper than 10% of the wall thickness of the tube and are not located in the heel of a bend. To avoid stress concentrations, scratches and nicks should be polished out of the tube. Q8209. Flexible hose used in aircraft systems is classified in size according to the A. Outside diameter, B. Wall thickness, C. Inside diameter. The correct answer is C. The size classification of flexible hose used in aircraft systems is based on the inside diameter of the hose. Q8209-1. When a Teflon hose has been in service for a time, what condition may have occurred and divided by, or what precaution should be taken when it is temporarily removed from the aircraft? A. The hose interior must be kept wet with the fluid carried to prevent embrittlement divided by deterioration. B. The hose may become stiff and brittle if not flexed or moved regularly. C. The hose may have developed a set or have been manufactured with a preset shape and must be supported to maintain its shape. The correct answer is C. When a Teflon hose has been in service for a time, it may develop a set or take on a preset shape due to factors such as repeated bending or pressure. Therefore, the hose must be supported and handled carefully during temporary removal to avoid any changes in its shape that could affect its performance when reinstalled. There is no need to keep the hose wet to prevent embrittlement or deterioration, nor will the hose become stiff and brittle if not flexed or moved regularly.